Good morning, my KitKats. It is another beautiful, beautiful morning.
Thank you, thank you. I hope
Really? That is amazing. Yeah.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper.
Hello, my KitKats, and welcome back to another video. Y'all, I know it's been a while. I know it. But I'm finally going to finish up my Dominican trip. Since then, we've been to Alaska. I've had crazy stuff going in the house, broken shampooers and vacuum cleaners and getting properties rented, and life has definitely taken over. Y'all see, I'm looking a little rough. I even had to go help my daughter today with her new school. So she is teaching 4th grade science. Y'all already know. It's just getting everything together with her, working with her. My mom's trying to get back on her job, and she came out to help today. So y'all, it has been really, really, really crazy, jumping through hoops for like the last 2 months. So I'm back, and we're gonna finish up that Dominican trip. Y'all, it still was amazing. I still feel it. I still feel the warmth, everything, the friends and everything. So let me finish that trip. Then I'm working on the Alaska trip, which y'all will see. Y'all, Alaska is hot. I'm expecting to freeze my butt off, y'all. It was hot. I was sweating. I got the flu. It's been crazy. So, but let me finish the Dominican trip, and I hope you like it.
신자했어 어두운 밤 지나 찬란하게 빛나 I've been feeling down all night You tell me it's alright It's alright, alright, alright So blue 저 하늘은 더 푸른 바다 It can be when you jump up 힘껏 달려가 And now to party boy
Really? That is amazing. Yeah.
Picture.
Okay. So this is a Mexican song,
Oh.
and it goes something like this. Hey, Flash. Bésame, bésame mucho, como si fuera esta noche la última vez. Bésame, bésame mucho, que tengo miedo a quererte, perderte después.
Bridget.
Kiss me more, kiss me all night long, como si fuera esta noche la última vez. Bésame, bésame mucho, que tengo miedo a quererte, perderte después. Quiero tenerte muy cerca, mirarte a los ojos, estar junto a ti. Piensa que tal vez mañana yo ya estaré lejos, muy lejos de ti. Kiss me all night long, como si fuera esta noche la última. Bésame, bésame mucho, que tengo miedo a quererte, perderte después. Que tengo miedo a quererte, perderte.
어지럽기만 해 이 많은 소음들에 그렇게 오는 거야 너의 시선은 깜빡이는 눈이 내게 입 맞춘대 언제 그랬냐는 듯 내 앞에 다가와 Oh 틱톡 틱톡 눈을 굴려보내 힐끔힐끔 또 쳐다보네 볼 듯 안 보일 듯 똑하늘 보내 날 담기엔 이 밤이 너무 짧겠지 아슬아슬해 보여 네가 날 흔들 때 숨막히는 chemistry 이건 게임이 아니야 너도 알잖아 우리 fly 끌어당기던 you rewind Baby we can burn it up 지겹지가 않아 Just let it flow with me Our chemistry 끌어와 내게 가까이 Don't stop when you're all die 느려질 틈 없는 긴장 속에 널 다듬어 내 손끝에 너란 나는 걸 알면서도 빠져들어 너 벗어날 수 없게 화려하게 함께 춤을 추자 아슬아슬해 보여 네가 날 흔들 때 숨막히는 chemistry 이건 게임이 아니야 너도 알잖아 우리 vibe 끌었다 기다린 미래 rewind Baby we can burn it up 지겹지가 않아 Just let it flow with me Our chemistry Our chemistry
Wanna make you happy and then she goes 나만 혼자 남겨뒀어 대화가 필요해 너 먼저 나에게 말해봐 너와 나의 이 관계가 달라졌음 해 We're out of time So tell me you want more 지나가버린 추억 너무 잦은 다툼 가끔씩은 지치기도 해 이제는 너무 익숙해져 버린 너의 한숨들이 난 더 이상 하고 싶지 않아 So baby tell me Why not 너와 나의 그 차이가 Why not Don't know what to do with you But why not 너와 나의 그 차이가 You and I just wanted more
너와 함께 있을 때 예전엔 안 그랬는데 그냥 집에 가고 싶을 때도 있어 너도 가끔 느끼잖아 우린 예전 같지 않아 너랑 차라리 끝내려고 해 지나가버린 추억 너무 잦은 다툼 가끔씩은 지치기도 해 이제는 너무 익숙해져 버린 너의 한숨들이 난 더 이상 하고 싶지 않아
So baby tell me Why not 너와 나의 그 차이가 Why not Don't know what to do with you But why not 너와 나의 그 차이가 You and I just wanted more
Good morning, my KitKats. It is another beautiful, beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. It is Thursday morning. This is the courtyard. The weather here is normally very pretty. It is normally very pretty here. It gets a thunderstorm, looks like every day, keeping everything green. What's up, my friend?
Good morning. Like you say, it's crying time again.
Oh, I'm good. Good morning. I am good. The end of a beautiful day. It is Thursday. Unfortunately, we have to go home in the morning, y'all.
Oh my gosh.
I know them well. I'm tripping.
Shelby,
Where are you?
Hey, all them dollars.
Okay, get one of her guys.
Yeah, you normal size. Amazon don't fit me like
Come on, man.
No. So listen, I went to men's warehouse about the dance. Spent about 4 or 5 minutes in there. Probably feels like
Diane! Come on, take a picture with your husband.
no, it's fine. Like,
How you doing?
come on, like, let's do it for me. Butterball. Oh yeah. Up here and down
I'm
there.
sick of y'all too. I'm so damn sick of y'all. You keep your legs closed for 30 seconds.
Girl wearing white, what's on?
Mom, Michelle can't stay still. No, I'm
Hey,
still
Michelle, can you stop being ADD?
You need some nuts in this picture.
Oh my God.
Man, let sister wives know do their thing. Man, get your fat.
Give me a moment to be sincere. Feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate. But I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. Keeping it between us two. No matter what we go through, I stay true. But can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us.
Live over there.
Right over there?
I don't know about that. You see the old people? Watch him put that thing on. Hey,
Google, what song is playing?
I don't fool with y'all. Oh, go Monica. Don't you videotape that, Bridget. Turn it on, Bridget.
Me? In stockings.
Hey, y'all remember wearing a slip?
Yeah. And a half slip.
Hey, who went to church and put that little thing over your knees?
Nah.
Don't forget
You better.
Well, you had to put that thing.
You sat at the front.
You put it in your knees. You had to put that thing over your knees.
A little blanket.
The handkerchief. The handkerchief.
Go over your knees. Jumpers would have got my
Blue cat. Hey,
The bump.
Yeah. You remember her at homecoming?
Yeah. Remember she was on the. And Grant Hill came out.
Kimberly.
Yeah, it's like that was last homecoming.
That's called a
Tamia
bump.
was performing at homecoming.
You don't know now.
I'm not
This is
telling
what we
you.
do in the country.
Tiff,
We do the bump.
so last year at homecoming at Hampton,
Hey, shut it. You be good.
and Grant Hill came out and they did that dance.
The whole players used to do it like that.
Of course, I was
That's how
drunk
you
by
used to
then.
do it.
They were cool.
Get in there, Brian. Get in there, B. Somebody did it back in the
Joe,
60s.
Joe, I missed that part.
Brian don't know nothing about the ball.
They don't know about the bump.
There you go.
I think I was drunk by then. So, remember, my friend Tony is the athletic director at Hampton. So I was over messing around with him and you guys were still down here.
You were what?
I was over messing around with him. I was up on the stage with the trustees.
Oh yeah, that's right. She was excellent, right?
Yeah.
It was the wrong venue for her. She was
Yeah,
trying to turn up and she's very
Yeah, but they still had a good time. Oh, you want?
Yeah.
Like
It was excellent.
people enjoyed it. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I was not paying attention.
Are you taking notes? She's amazing.
2 days.
Well, you're not taking all of it. I'm taking all of this.
Hey, kid.
Was Diamond Dogs? What was that?
So that's the thing to go back.
That's the water is well.
We go by. It's like, go ahead. Go ahead.
There you go.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart, shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end.
Okay, so you're gonna get up for us?
Oh, I knew
Okay, see what you can find out.
if I die, that we would come to this. That we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past, crying out behind the mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. How I knew that it would die. That we would come
There you go.
Wearing linen, my shit gonna burn like a
Help me free this fear.
Roll around. He'll be all right. I'm gonna roll to the right.
Yeah.
That's a fire. Just roll around. He'll be all right.
Looking back at being young and feeling small in the world, playing with angels, holy pages, busy doing the work. Now we're standing in the present and I hope you're amazed by everything you dreamed to help you get to this place. Say, every day it blows my mind, watching how things all night. And now you noticing the universe wants you to succeed. Take out your candles and remember to have faith when you leave. Sit at the table with the plate that I made for you. You're ready for what's next, I hope you're taking the views too. And if you're ready for what's next, I hope you're taking a view too. Writing letters to myself. Writing letters to myself. Writing letters to myself. All of the stories to tell. All of the stories to tell. And on the radio you gravitate to songs about love, mystified by the illusion of what it never was. Using music just to soothe, and now it's time to grow up. All the losers try to tell you that you weren't enough, that you needed too much, maybe a little too tough. You shine a little too bright. Could you step out of the light? Be an angel and I can save you for every time that you call. Your very presence will shape our heaven. You never have to play small.
Shit. Excuse me. Sorry.
Do you remember what I felt?
They're cooling off before they get there.
Do you remember where I've been? Writing letters to myself. Writing letters to myself.
Doesn't matter. I put music over it. It's just I'll put music over that part.
We can always say turn off the clocks in your mind. We all make the time. Turn off the clocks in your mind. We all make the time. If you say when or wherever I will be, what do you do? Push for, I will follow through. Will you say when or wherever I will be? What do you do? Push for, I will follow through. Say we can always say stay here. We can always say turn all the clocks in your mind. We all make the time. Turn all the clocks in your mind. We all make the time. If you say when or wherever I will be, what do you do? Push for, I will follow through. Will you say when or wherever I down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you play, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. Oh, 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 oh. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Try to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Save me now, save me now. Whoa, sister, save me now, save me now. Whoa, shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. You fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Try to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now, save me now. Whoa, sister, save me now, save me now. Whoa, every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Try to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now, save me now. Whoa, sister, save me now, save me now. Whoa.
You like chicken?
Y'all, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling.